welcome back. Today we have a rotary hammer drill to review, the PARKSIDE Performance Cordless Hammer Drill. The hammer drill is part of the 20-volt PARKSIDE Performance range, and it comes with a brushless motor, an advertised 3 joules of impact energy, selectable speeds, and smart battery connection. All these represents a considerable improvement over its little brother. Now let's see what comes in the box. We have a user manual, which I would encourage you to read before utilizing the tool. PARKSIDE also provides a depth adjustment tool to help us drill to a desired length. We also find the removable and adjustable handle. And finally, the pièce de résistance, the hammer drill itself. The case has some additional slots to help store some extra equipment if necessary. We see a battery slot, which in this case can hold an extra 2 amp-hour battery, and a slot for the regular battery charger. Now you can use this space for a 4 amp-hour battery, or some other combination as you desire. Let's inspect the hammer drill and see what other features are present. We have a trigger, which will allow us to fine-tune the speed of rotation or hammer impact rate. The direction selector will allow us to change the rotation direction or block the trigger if left in the middle position. We can also observe that the handle is equipped with a shock absorber, which should provide some impact protection for your hand. On the lower side of the tool, the battery indicator is present, accompanied by the speed selector button and smart battery link indicator. Moving to the tip of the device, we find the SDS, aka the slotted drive system, which will work with SDS drill bits and has easy insert and release mechanism. Finally, in the center of the tool, we find the selector which will help us choose between regular rotation of the head, rotation and hammer action, or just hammer action for chiseling or demolition work. The difference between the last two icons is that the first will allow the user to select the position of the chisel, while the last one is just the hammer action. The tool has some weight to it, and when placed on the scale without accessories, it weighs in at 2.5 kilograms. To attach the provided handle to the hammer drill, insert it as shown and tighten it by screwing in the handle. With it securely fastened, it provides proper two-hand grip and gives better control of the tool. If desired, you can now insert the depth adjustment tool by pressing the red latch as shown to allow the rod to slide in. Release the red latch to lock it in. Attaching the battery completes the hammer drill assembly. I'm using a 4 amp-hour battery here, but it would be recommended to use the new smart 8 amp-hour PARKSIDE battery for longer operation. You can of course readjust the handle to better suit the position you will be drilling in. With everything attached to the tool, the total weight jumps to about 3.5 kilograms. Now we can see how the trigger can adjust the speed of the drill, and we also get a better view of the battery indicator as well as the max speed selector. The case does not come with any drill bits, so I used this opportunity to purchase from the store a set of PARKSIDE Performance drill bits as well as a chisel. Using the SDS bits is as easy as inserting them into the chuck as shown. Now let's go ahead and take some speed measurements. The speeds are very close to the advertised ones. Nice. Now in terms of noise, as you can see, the tool can get rather loud. It's recommended to use some hearing protection while operating, and also be kind to your neighbors. With that analysis finished, let's put it to work outside. We are first drilling into some stone using first step 1 and then step 2 for max speed. Let's move now to something a bit more durable. This is concrete, and we are using step 2 for max speed. The trick to optimizing rotary hammer drill performance is to apply moderate pressure to the bit. Using just the tool weight should be sufficient to optimize rate of drilling. I think the tool performed quite well while dealing with concrete. Now let's move to some demolition work. We start with the stone, and we see that the drill makes quick work of it. Moving to a rock, we can observe similar results. There's also a little spotlight in case you are working in the dark. For a €50 price tag at the time of this review, I think the PARKSIDE Rotary Hammer Drill provides good value when it comes to price versus performance. While the competition may bring fancier features and possibly better performance and reliability, for hobbyists the PARKSIDE should be more than enough. If you are a professional, then the perspective may change, especially when it comes to long-term reliability. But with a 5-year warranty for the PARKSIDE Performance range of products, it may be an option as well. What do you think? That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.